Okay, recording.
We're gonna depart runway 4 at LaGuardia and just kind of cruise down the Hudson. Let's see how this thing reacts. We've got a rotate speed of 124 knots, which is right there. And what are our winds right now?
Winds are out of the north at 10 knots.
Okay, very good. All right, so let's...
You're kind of on your own in this one because I'm filming.
Gonna crank this thing up here. Take it up to about 40%. Okay, we're starting to cruise on down a little bit here. My center lining it okay. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay.
80 knots.
Coming up on V1. Should be hitting V1 just about now.
V1.
Okay.
We are.
And we're going to rotate. And we are up.
Miles are ready.
Okay.
You're up.
And we have just departed LaGuardia. I'm going to drop the nose a little bit. Is that okay? Was it an okay takeoff?
Yeah, not bad.
Medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to make that left-hand turn?
Citrus, your radar contact. Turn left, fly heading at 290 degrees, sir.
Okay. Turning left 290.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
A little steep. I'm going to back it up a little bit.
That's the Hudson right there. It should be.
Yep.
Continue that climb to 5,000.
All right. Climbing at 5,000. Okay.
Roll that here. Get down the Hudson.
All right.
What's the altitude? 4,000 or 5,000?
All right.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
There's the airport you just took off out of, right? Where's it at? Yeah, it's going to be someplace.
Citrus, turn right, fly heading at 210 degrees. 210.
210. Okay. Turning right 210.
You said 210?
Yeah, 210.
Okay. Turning right 210. Looks like we're cruising down the east.
Yeah, we're gonna go. We'll just go the East River now. Manhattan will be off to the right.
I got the East River off to the right here. There's Manhattan. Lower Manhattan's all the way at the far end. Hudson River is on the other side of the island.
Yeah, if you want to, you can pick it up perpendicular and then make that left-hand turn so that way it'll be on your side and I can get it through the video through the...
Very good.